get out as quickly and as safely as possible. As much, no, may inadan tanan-tanan, no, you have to be safe. Okay? Get out as quickly and as safe as possible. If a stove for a fire starts, slide over the burning pan and turn off the burner. Leave the lid in place under the pan is completely cool. If there's incident, no, during when you're cooking, no, tabunan nyo lang ang inyong pan. Then off ang gas tank. Okay? Hindi nyo pagsabihan tubig. Okay? That's a very no-no. Okay? Pagsabihan mo sa tubig, may buwal gulping kalayo. Okay? That's one of the fire incidents that you should not use water. No? If you try to use a fire extinguisher on a fire and the fire does not immediately die down, drop the extinguisher and get out. Usually, no, it will take you around 8 to 10 seconds at most, no, so that you can fully consume one fire extinguishers. Then after it will be fully consumed, drop it, then went out. If you're escaping through a closed door, fill the door. Taptan nyo na yung door. If there's heat or mainit, then look for the alternate options or exit. Okay? If you see smoke or fire in your fire escape route, use your second way out. The less time you're exposed to poisonous gases or flames, the safer you will be. Okay? For a fire incident, why not be a hero? No? As much as possible, you have to get out. Okay? If you must exit through smoke, crawl low under the smoke to your exit. Close door behind you to delay the spread of the fire. If smoke, heat, or flames block your exit route so you cannot get outside safely, stay in the room with the door closed. Okay? Open the window for ventilation and hang a sheet outside the window so firefighters can find you. Pag-abot ng firefighters, the first thing that they're going to look for is kung may na-trap sa isa ka building or sa balay. Okay? So they'll be looking for that sheet, no? Something that they can see that there's a trap, no, person in that building. All right? Once you're out, stay out. Hindi pwede, no? Ay, nalimutan ko cellphone ko, kailangan ko balikan. Hindi pwede. Right? So don't do that, okay? Get out first, away from toxic smoke and gases. Then call the fire department from a neighbor's home or from an outside phone. Okay? If you have your own cellular phone, better, no? But don't go back, no, to a burning house just to get your phone. Okay. Nakagina sa materials ako, no? I think they're really familiar for this with this slide, no? This is the NCC mall fire incident. Okay, this happened in December 23 in Davao, where a fire broke out at a furniture in a fabric store on the 3rd level of the mall. The name of the mall is NCCC, or New City Commercial Center. This engulfed the offices of the U.S. firm Research Now, or SSI, on the 4th floor of the same building in choking smoke. The only person among the 38 killed in the fire who did not work at the firm was a mall security officer. Well, actually, he's a safety officer, okay? Because he allowed the employees first to go out before he go out also, no? But no, medyo nahuli, no? Nahuli siya in the trap, no? So he died. He was included in the 38 who was killed during the incident. So more than 100 SSI employees who were on duty that day managed to escape, of whom 6 were injured. No? Bureau of Fire investigated. According to Senior Superintendent Jerry Candido, who is the director of the GESIC Philippines Bureau of Fire Protections and one of the lead investigators of the incident, no? Medyo kilala ko ni si Candido because he used to be the head of Bureau of Fire here in Iloilo. Okay? The reason, because 38 were killed, no? One of the reasons is the valves of the fire extinguishers were closed. Hindi magamit, no? So when the fire broke out, okay, the valve is closed, and that's why hindi siya pumutok, right? According to Candido, okay, the employees of SSI may have been unaware of the fire beneath for some times because their office alarm system is not connected to the building. The grocery, no, or the the ground level is already on fire, but hindi nila alam, no, because the fire alarm is not connected. Okay, there are several structural questions also. Okay, listen to this, no, as civil engineering students. Okay, Candidates investigators are also looking at whether the ceiling material in the call center was flammable. Okay, in our materials, subjects in civil engineering, there are several materials that we can use to delay of fire. Okay, one of the fire retardant materials that are used for sealing are gypsum board and acoustic board or acoustic ceiling. Hindi siya masunog dali-dali. These are fire rated materials. Okay, also, according to the investigations, fire exits would have passed inspection, but only one of them leads directly outside the building. The other 3 exits leads back, no, to the building, no? Mabalik ka Japon sa building, no? Wherein there's a lot of fire. Okay? So the fire exit is not properly planned. The fire exit should be lead you directly out of the building. Okay? There's an electrical problem in the ceiling as well. Okay, so that's the reason, no? And then one of the reasons why damo napatay or daming napatay because the employees are not attending the fire exit drill. Some of them don't know how to open the fire exit. They don't even know where the fire exit is located. Okay, so I tell you, no, this is one of the things, no, why there are several casualties during a fire incident. No? The lack of participation in the fire drill. Okay, so out of 100 employees, almost only around 10 participated. Okay, so residential fires kill more than 2,500 people per year in the United States alone, and most fatal fire occurs when people are asleep in their homes. Okay, a smoke can lull a person into a deep slumber. No? Ever wonder how your walls would protect you? Well, no practical building materials is truly fireproof. Well-constructed houses and buildings can help prevent such tragedies by using materials that are relatively fire-resistant. Okay? The question is, it's not whether a fire can damage a structure, but rather if the structure will take longer for fire to damage. So as a civil engineer, if we're going to choose our materials, no, you have to make sure that it is a fire-rated building materials. Okay? So dako ang rules ta as a civil engineer so as to prevent casualties during a fire incidents. Okay, questions for fire? Do klase lang na. Okay, you can disturb me now anytime you make questions. Okay. Next, you have earthquake. Okay, question. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a result of a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes are recorded with a seismometer, also known as seismograph. Okay. For the definition of terms, you have the epicenter. This is the location above the hypocenter on the surface of the Earth. Ang hypocenter, that's where the earthquake started, below the Earth's surface. Okay. So you have epicenter, we have hypocenter. Next, we have the magnitude. The magnitude is a measured value of the earthquake size. The magnitude is the same no matter where you are or how strong or weak the shaking was in various locations. If there's an earthquake, no, in Bohol, a 7 magnitude earthquake, okay, the magnitude also is 7 in Iloilo. The difference only is the intensity, or that is measured of the shaking created by the earthquake, and the value vary with locations. Siyempre, if you're far from the magnitude, then the intensity becomes weaker as well. Okay, so if you're going to check, no, in the Feebox website, no, you have their intensity 1, what you feel for intensity 1, for intensity 2, etc., intensity 3, etc. Okay, so magnitude is the same throughout, no, the entire locations, but intensity varies, no, with the respect to the distance to the epicenter of the earthquake. Okay, So what are the effects of earthquake? First, you have ground rupture, fissuring or cracking along the surface. The 1990 Luzon earthquake, which has a magnitude of 7.8, has ruptures of 125 kilometers. Okay. This earthquake claimed 1,200 lives, damaged infrastructure, and is considered as one of the most destructive earthquakes in the Philippines, where Baguio suffered the most devastating effect. We also have ground shaking, the disruptive up and down inside emotion experienced during an earthquake. Okay, this may last from seconds to minutes. Okay, hindi nakalabot sa kaoras na, isa ka oras sa why na to diskalibutan. No? Okay, we have liquefactions. Okay, this is a transformation of buried sediments to a liquid-like paste by intense ground shaking, causing lateral ground spreading, subsidence, and sand boils. For liquefactions, no, sa soil ta nga subject, no, kung tama kalos ang soil, and it's not cohesive, hindi mo na siya matungtungan, masalop na siya, no? Kumaga, ang behavior, the behavior of soil will become like liquid. Di mo mapatungan, okay? Because it will, the cohesiveness will be removed, okay? The common term, no, here, no, sa ginatawag na liquefaction is kumunoy. Okay? So hindi mo siya hindi mo nagsalop ang building because it cannot carry now the weight that is being imposed on the soil. Okay? Usually this happens to areas that are close to the beach or any body of water. You have also landslides, okay? Slope failure and steep or hilly slope where section of soil and rock traverse downhill due to the force of gravity. Landslide can vary substantially in speed. Okay, so these are the example. At the right side, that is very devastating, no? Because at the bottom of the mountains, so are residential houses.